Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to remove system apps on any Android phone without root access. First, go to Phone Settings and enable Developer Mode. Scroll down to About Phone. Tap the serial number 10 times to activate Developer Mode. Then go to System Developer Settings. It varies, but we need to enable USB debugging. Turn it on and connect your phone to the computer. Next, on your computer, Google Download Platform Tools. Click the first link, select Download SDK Platform Tools for Windows, agree, and download. Open a new window, Google Download Universal Android Debloater. Click the first GitHub link and select tags. Choose the latest version and download the file we need. Download it. We have two files, let's move them to one folder. I'll create a folder on the desktop for this. Let's open this folder, move it here, unzip the archive, and transfer the second file over. We'll drop it right into this folder. Now, let's search for KMD. Open the command prompt and type ADB devices to check if the phone's connected. There, my phone is connected. Next, we'll go back to the Platform Tools folder and run the program we downloaded. Here's my Motorola. We'll use the uninstall button to remove the system files we need. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.